Welcome to the video tutorial on how to make your St. Edward's University housing deposit. First visit myhilltop.stedwards.edu and search for the Make Your Housing Deposit task. Click on the Make Your Housing Deposit task. Log in with your credentials. The task will direct you to the Billing Center. In the Select Term drop-down, select the term you plan to begin your enrollment at St. Edward's University. Next, you will need to select a deposit. Click on the Select button. If the term and type of deposit is correct, hit the red Continue button. Follow the instructions to pay the deposit. Select the method of payment to enter your bank account, debit, or credit card information. Once you have provided your payment information, hit the red Submit Payment button. You will receive a confirmation once the payment is successfully processed. For questions in regards to making your housing deposit, contact Student Financial Services by emailing scu.finaid@stedwards.edu or call 512-448-8523. You may also contact Residence Life via email at residencelife@stedwards.edu or by calling 512-448-8419.